Hello, this is Kenneth Purdom again with Real Estate Photographer Pro. Third video, we're going to go over how to prepare the exterior, the back part of the house. Let's look at a couple of examples. This is that large property. When you look across the balcony going out the back, there's nothing distracting. Looking here, no tools, no farm tractor implements in the driveway. This was a large property, so it'd be easy to have farm equipment out here or a motorcycle out here, or a tractor, a lawnmower, but it's all gone. It's all put away um, the day before the photo shoot, not minutes before the photo shoot, but they were ready. All of this is empty, clean, presentable. Nothing, looks like a vacation property. Nothing on that back there. Looks like a postcard. And see out here, I can see horses, I can see barn. There's not anything. It's been cut, but not, it wasn't done the day of the photo shoot, so you don't have grass laying around everywhere. It wasn't cut too high, so you don't have, that when you cut grass and it's too high, it's laying across the yard. Sometimes it can't be helped, but all right, so let's go to a smaller property. This is the barn area. They had this extremely cleaned up too. It was amazing. Nothing blocking the view there. Let's go to a smaller property, condo here in Columbia. See, there's nothing personal, nothing distracting. So they get a view that, this is showing, this is, if you're sitting here, you have privacy, but there's nothing drawing my eye away. Like there's not a bicycle over here or a group of toys or something that would be confusing to the photo. That's a little busy, but it's clean and presentable. It could have been emptied out, but you can see the difference between. Let's go back, just the comparison. I'm going to go right here. So here's a back patio area. You can see the difference. I still get the idea here, but it would have been better for this to be empty. This has got their gazebo, their neighborhood photo. So 3 short videos on how to prepare a home for a photo shoot. If you need more information, go to realestatephotographerpro.com. Go to the very bottom of the website in the black and white resource area and click on how to prepare a home for a real estate photo shoot. Thank you.